Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video by your girl Milady. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications just to get notified. Just to get notified every time I drop a video. And make sure that you keep checking on, like make sure that you just, because girl is about to come with another bang, like girl is just about to come with another level, another huge step of consistency. You know what, this year is just all about the vibes, bitch. So without without any further ado, let us get on to this video. Let us get our head started, Ima. Let's get our head started with this video. They are interrupting me, these people. They are interrupting me. So guys, today I am gonna be reviewing these products that I got. It's the lipstick and my new blenders. I didn't really use them. I used one for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, just stay tuned to the video, and yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just watch me turn into this beauty, because so this is my updated makeup routine. I just like putting in I just like putting in a bit of eyeshadows to my looks, because I can't just come plain. There's just times for being plain, and there's times for being like having a routine, spicing up your routine or whatever. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm just brushing my brows up. I'm just gonna brush my brows up, and yeah, just do the brows first, and then yeah, I'm gonna come back later once I have done that. So I just did my brows off camera. So right now we are gonna move on to my face. So I am gonna use, so I've already moisturized my face, but usually before I start my makeup I am using this collagen. Yes, pre serum or whatever. Yeah, and so right now I'm just gonna prime using my baby skin. Okay, so yeah. Zanzo. And I'm gonna use my Revlon Color Stray foundation. I'm actually running out. Yeah, I feel like it's just so like my skin. It is my skin straight, but it's just that it doesn't have coverage. But I don't wanna put on a lot, because like it's already 6 o'clock, and so I'm gonna be using these beauty blenders from Mr. Price. You guys, I gotta vuselela my presentation skills because it's been hectic. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using these blenders by Mr. Price. I saw these and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to put my hands on those. They're so cute. They're so cute. And I'm just gonna blend it. I don't really put on a lot of foundation usually. Okay guys, you're gonna have to forgive me. like I have to make an announcement. Yeah, so I know that you don't see me with earrings on. Well, I know I don't have my earrings on. That was the announcement actually. So I don't have my earrings on because you know. So after I'm done with this look, you just have to bear with me. Like, just when I'm done with this look, you just have to focus on my face. Don't focus on other things, man, because like it's embarrassing. Okay, so yeah. So I didn't plug this wig simply because I just felt that let me just use foundation on the thingy. I'll show you guys once I'm done. And now that we're done with that, it's giving natural vibes. It's giving like boom. She out here. And so I am gonna use my LA. So I'm gonna use my LA Pro Concealer. This is my OG. I've been loving this concealer. I bought a new one. I actually ran out, but like yeah. So I'm just gonna put this everywhere that I have dark circles, and yeah, just basically where the foundation wouldn't really hide the things. Yeah. So I ran out. And I don't want to put in a lot really because I'm not really making a full glam wabona, but like yeah, I ran out. And so I ran out and I just had to get another one. Well, guys, you're gonna have to forgive me here. Like, this foundation blends. One thing about it, LA Girl did the things. Good concealer, no way. So then, like, I got a few of other concealers that I want to review with you guys, and I've had them like a long time. So Beniti, like, guys, forgive me. I know sometimes I spend so much time being like so like spending time on one thing, but like trust me, I'm Zenzi. You know, I'm just thinking a lot of things. Like, I'm thinking, oh, I need to do this, oh, I need to do that, you know, and it's just like okay. So now that we're done with that, I know I look like a freak. We're gonna move on to the second concealer, which is like, you know, so I'm going for more of a neutral look, you know, just, you know, an everyday makeup, but like still like hot or whatever. Basically just makeup that you put going on a date. You don't want to look dramatic on a date. You're not really going out with your friends, you're just going on a date, you know, so you just want to look basic for the guy. Yeah, so I'm messy like that when it comes to concealer. Hey, like, I ain't got time. So like I am running out of time, really. So for my favorite step, so yeah, I just blended the second concealer, and yeah, so I'm not really looking for a bright under eye. It's just like, you know, that. So now I'm gonna use my luxury powder. Just want you guys to see that, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna use my banana, and yeah, I'm so excited for this. I love baking. Baking is like my favorite thing. Baking is like my favorite thing. Baking is like my favorite thing. I love baking. Don't you love baking? Because I love baking. Yes. I have no idea what I am doing right now. So guys, I am so excited to like use these. They are blenders. They are actually sponges, and they have like, you know, like you can hold it, like it's a sponge but it has a hold on. Like, how exciting are these? Like, I am so excited to use these. I actually used my my beauty blender for blending my face, but yeah, these like, oh my gosh, like I so wanted to use these, but like I didn't. But anyway, so yeah, for baking I'm gonna use one of that, and yeah, like, can you believe it, guys? I actually took a bath just to come shoot for you guys. Like, can you believe it? How much I love you guys. So I'm just gonna take that and just put it on like every place where I concealed, and yeah. Like, I am so excited to use these. Like, set using my sponge. Okay, like literally these are gonna be my go-to, like, for sure. Wait, but yeah, I've gotta fix something. Okay, let me use. You know, someone asked me, Ruti, do you love what you're doing? And that question Well, I was actually doing a client's nails because I'm a nail technician. Yeah, nail technician, but I'm still at my like basic, like at my beginner's stages. I'm still getting the groove. I'm still learning, all of these acrylic systems. So I was at a client's thingy. So yeah, I was doing a client's nails, and this guy was like to me, "Do you like what you're doing?" He's actually the brother of the person that I was doing my nails on. I was doing nails on. So he was like, we were just chilling and chatting, and he was like, "Do you love what you're doing?" And I was like, wait, that is actually so smart, for you to ask someone like that question, because you could be doing this for money and whatever. So like, to actually enjoy what you're doing, like, do you love what you're doing, or you're just doing it because like I'm gonna get money out of it, and like just like, why are you doing it? I'm gonna use my OG palette for contouring. Yeah. So like, do you love it? And it just made me want to refocus, and just be like, okay, like remind myself, it's okay, this is why I'm here, and I should do umsebenzi ophelele, So I'm just gonna wipe that off using this brush. So I'm sure you've noticed that I've been looking that side because the mirror is that side. The mirror is actually that side. Let me just take a smaller one. Okay, I don't feel like anything is balancing as yet. You guys, I am actually running out of lights. It's getting late. But then moving right along. So I am gonna be using my birthday collection by Kylie just to set my face and just look at how it turns out. And yeah, it has a sponge and a mirror. Wow, this is so nice. I'd actually opened this, and yeah, it was just like so cool. Why don't I just do this with you guys? Yeah, so it comes with a mirror and that sponge, and then that is the foundation, and that is the setting powder. Can you guys see that? And the guys can be able to see that. I'm gonna set my face using that, and I am gonna use this brush over here. Yeah. Okay, I have a situation here, and I'm just gonna have to try to like blend with it. Done by Kylie. So for my eye, I just have to use this color. So I'm just gonna first start off with this brush just to give it a little bit of like direction, then I'm gonna blend obviously with this brush. So I like me this, I'm actually using this Jaclyn Hill palette, guys. I'm saying a light, like I'm gone, like same palette. Yeah, I just have this obsession with just like dark neutral colors. You know what, man? You know what? You know what? I just bought these brushes and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna review them with you guys. I bought them a long time ago. Like, there's a lot of things that I have with me and I just haven't shown you guys. That's why I'm just like, I keep saying, what kind of a girl, what kind of a girl does that? So I have already done this eye, and so I'm gonna move on to this eye. Quick. Yeah, I'm actually running out of time, and then just finish up the rest of my face, then I can come to the grand product. It's actually late. How the hell am I gonna take pictures in this dark? It's actually dark, hey? But anyway, we move. And then so for my second color, I just used that one. Okay, I am gonna have to put my lashes off camera, and yeah, just come back. So I just put my liner on. Yeah, so let me just finish off putting on my lashes. So maybe I just ran out of glue, so I'm just gonna use the clear one for now. So for my favorite part, we are gonna be using KKW by Kylie. Oh my gosh, like I can't have you guys see that. Oh my gosh, I am running out of battery. Okay, if it wasn't for this load shedding, I would have been done with this video a long time ago. But like, so we're using KKW by Kylie. Hopefully you guys can like see that. Yeah. I want to take a thumbnail with this actually. And the sponges. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these for my lips. I am so excited. And yeah, this is just how it looks on the inside. So we have a lipstick. We have a lipstick. This is what I'm gonna try. Lipstick. And we have a lip liner. Oh my gosh, like, so we have a lip liner. Oh my gosh, like look at that, like J. Okay, lip liner, and it has a sharpener. And we have a I think this is an eyebrow liner. Yeah, it's an eyebrow liner. I should have used that, but anyway, next time. And then we have a lipstick. Ooh, get into that nude face. So I think this is in the color Charm because it's written Charm underneath, but yeah. So I'm gonna use my lip liner. I prefer actually black, using black honestly, because I feel like I'm a dark girl, and in these colorful lip liners, I don't know, but like, let me try. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna go back to black. Okay, wish me luck. So that is the lip color. How does it become? So right now I'm just going to use the lipstick and just see how that turns out. So this is the thing about being black. Like, I feel like when you put such things on, when you have like dark skin, okay, it looks beautiful, natural, but on camera, or maybe it's the times, I don't know, but like, I feel like with these lipsticks, usually they for like late nights, you know, like when you like when you know for sure that you're gonna have drinks and whatnot. But like, it doesn't accommodate like dark skin, because actually, you know what, this is just for Kylie. Let me not put any emphasis on it. You know, it's just for like what she did for her lips, which are like pink, and for like light skin. I am actually a dark girl, and I prefer like black liners over like colorful liners, you know. So I'm just going to use the black over the lipstick and just see how that goes out. Definitely tried to just give a little bit of ooh to my lips. Okay, yeah, it's giving matte just vibes, obviously, you know. So yeah, guys, yes, that is the final look. Yeah, so it did the things, like it gave my lips that okay, like she out here, we out here, like darling, you know. So yes guys, I am done with this look. I hope that you enjoyed watching me do this look for you guys, and yeah, just subscribe to my channel and keep, you know, they keep on the move. Just make sure that you come here every time and check if there's a new video or not, because like sis, yeah, like I'm gonna be posting every now and then. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post. And yeah, and like it's just about, you know, consistency this year. Just about all of that grind, all of that grind.